Now 4.1, how to simplify. 4 to the power of minus 3 means 1 by 4 cube is equal to 1 by 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 1 by 64, because a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. What is the law? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Next, 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 is equal to 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 is equal to 4 by 3 whole to the power of 3, because a by b whole to the power of minus m is equal to b by a whole to the power of m. When that negative will become positive means numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. Next, minus 2 to the power of 7 minus 2 to the power of 3 into minus 2 to the power of 4. Here all bases are equal. Then minus 2 whole to the power of 7 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to minus 2 to the power of 14, because a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Here bases are equal, middle multiplication symbol is there, then power should be added. Next, 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 6 into 5 cube. Now how to write 5 to the power of minus 4 into 5 cube into 5 to the power of 6, because a to the power of minus m is equal to, 1 by a to the power of minus m is equal to a to the power of m. What is the law? 1 by a to the power of minus m is equal to a to the power of m. Now bases are equal and the middle symbol is multiplication, then automatically the powers will be added. Now 5 to the power of minus 4 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 5 to the power of minus 4 plus 9 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Here 5 to the power of minus 4, 5 to the power of minus 6. When this minus 6 will come as a numerator, that power will become negative, become positive. Next, 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 1. Then how to write? 1 by 4, 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6. Why? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. What is the law? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Now, how to write? 1 by 12 into 6 by 1. When the division will change as multiplication, we have to write inverse. Then 6 by 1. 6 1s are, 6 2s are, then 1 by 2. What is the answer? Simplification of. Next, 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 to the power of minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. First we have to change bracket 1. 4 to the power of 0, 1 plus 5 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Now here 5 is the LCM. 1 into 5 plus 1 into 1, bracket close, 5 square into 1 by 3. Now 5 1s are 5 plus 1 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Now what you will get? 6 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. 6 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 1 by 3. Now 3 table goes 2 times. 5 goes 1 time. Now what is the answer? 10. What is the answer? 10. Now How to do? First we have to simplify the bracket one. Now 4 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. What is the law? A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Now again a to the power of m minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Now as per that, 4 to the power of 0, 1. 5 to the power of minus 1, 1 by 5. Simplify that, what you will get? 6 by 5. Into 5 square means 5 2 times. Into 1, cancellation. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. 5 1 time goes. Then 5 2s are 10. Next. 3 to the power of minus 2 by 3 into 3 to the power of 0 minus 3 to the power of minus 1. First, 1 by 3 into 3 square into 1 minus 1 by 3. Why? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Next, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. How to write now? 3 to the power of minus 2 will become denominator. This will become 1 by 3. Now, 1 by 3 into 9 into LCM 3. 3 1s are 3 minus 1. Now 1 by 3 into 9 into 2 by 3. Now is equal to 2 1s are 2, 9 9s are 81. 2 by 81. Now how to do? First we have to change negative as positive. Means it will come in the denominator. 1 by 3 into 3 square. 3 to the power of 0, 1. 3 to the power of minus 1, 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into 3 square, 9. Now 2 1s are 2. 3 into 9 into 3, 81. Then what is the answer? 2 by 31. This is the simplification of exponents.